Hello my dear students, welcome back to Learn Physics. In today's video, we are discussing the last part of the chapter Measurement and Errors. Okay, so for the past 6-7 classes we were doing with the Measurement and Errors chapter. In that we didn't discuss dimensions. Some of the questions which came across in between this exercises we discussed. Okay, then this dimensional questions we will be doing at the last, because many formulas and all you won't be knowing, so I thought better we will be doing the dimensions at the last. So today is the last part of the section, that is measurement and errors. The first question which we are discussing today are, see here, the number of significant figures in 0.06900. See, 0.06900. Here how many significant figures are there? The zeros which is coming before the whole number, we won't consider this as the significant figure. So the number of significant figures will be 4 significant figures will be there. Okay, then next question is these and all you can consider this as a revision for the or it's a recap of this chapter. All the questions we will be discussing. Sum of the numbers 436.32, 227.2 and 0.301 in appropriate significant figures. So the sum of these numbers, so for that 0.301, 2 we can write it here. So by adding you will be getting it as 863.821. Okay, so sorry to move, yes, correct only, right? So here after the addition, okay, after addition what we should consider? We should consider the least number of digits which is coming after the decimal point. So after the decimal point here 1 digit is there, after the decimal here it is 3 and here it is 2. So which one we should consider? 2 significant figures. See, one number it should exist after the decimal point. Here after the decimal point 2 numbers are there, here after the decimal point 1 number is there, here it is 3 numbers. So in the final answer after the decimal point only 1 number should exist. So here we should consider till here. So we should check whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5. The number 2 is less than 5, so we can omit this and we will get the answer as 863.8. This will be the final answer. Okay, clear? Then next is, I think in my addition some mistake happened. Yes, it is 660. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. This is 6. So 663.8. Okay. Now next question is, the 3 measurements are made 18.425. This one you can do it as homework question because same like the previous one. 18.425 centimeter, 7.21 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, 5.0. The addition should be written as. So so here also after the decimal point how many digits should maintain? We should maintain 1 digit because here this one we will be considering it as significant only. 5.0, so that will be considered as the significant. So after the decimal point 1 digit should exist. That will be the rounding off. That is the way we should maintain the significant figures. If it is addition, least number of digits after the decimal point should be maintained. Next question is, the radius of a circle is 2.12 meter. Its area according to the rule of significant figures. Radius is given as 2.12. Okay, so here in the case of for find radius of a circle, so area means pi r square. So here 22 by 7 into 2.12 the whole square we should consider. So here we will get the answer as 14.1124. This will be the answer. Okay. So here when we are doing that one 3.14, if you are substituting instead of 22.7, 3.14 if you are substituting. So how many number of significant figures should be maintained in the final answer? Here also three significant figures are there. Here also three significant figures are there. So here we can find out in the final answer should be three significant figures. So whether we can write down the whole thing? No, it's not required. So it will be 14.11 meter square will be maintained. So 14.11 meter square will be 1 means it has three significant figures, 4 significant figures, it will be now 14.1 meter square. This will be the final answer. So in the multiplication and division, in the final answer, which is having least number of significant figures should be maintained. But in the case of addition and subtraction, we should maintain the least number of digits after the decimal point. Okay, clear? Then, and one more thing, so such kind of questions, if it comes for the exam, you can go through the options first. So from there itself you will be understanding the answer. So in this question, see, options which is given are 14.1124, 14.11, 14.112, 14.1. So without calculation you will understand that the area will be 14.1124. They need to know whether you know about the significant figures, rounding off, whether you know or not. That only they will be discussing, they will be checking here. So here, this is the mathematical calculation is not important. Because better than that, you should go through the significant figures and rounding off in these cases. Okay, clear? So the next question is the random error in the arithmetic means of 100 observation is x. Random error in 100 observation is, we got it as x. Then the random error in the arithmetic mean of 400 observations would be. So if we are increasing the number of observation, how much we are increasing the observation, error will be decreased that much. Okay, 1/4 it will become. So last class also, in the previous one class also, we did the same kind of question. So the answer will be x by 4 here. Clear? Then next question, that is an error question, percentage error. A physical quantity Q is calculated as Q equals A cube B cube divided by C root D. A, B, C and D are 2%, 1%, 3% and 4% respectively. So here A is 2. So here in the manner of percentage error, how we can write down this? Delta Q by Q into 100 will be equal to 3 into percentage error of A plus 3 into percentage error of B plus C into percentage error of C plus 1 by 2 into percentage error of D. How we are getting 1 by 2? Root D, we will write it as D to the power 1 by 2. Root D equals D to the power 1 by 2. So here we can write it as 1 by 2 into percentage error of D. So here 3 into percentage error of A is 2 plus 3 into percentage error of B is 1 plus 1 into percentage error of C, that is 3, plus 1 by 2 into percentage error of D is 4. So here finally we will get it as 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. So here 14% we will get. So here it is answer is plus or minus 14%. C is the option, correct option. Next is, if the random error in the arithmetic mean of 50 observation is alpha, then the random error in the arithmetic operation of 150 observation. So 50 observation is alpha, then 150 observation it will be alpha by 3. Just now we told. Okay, clear? Then next question is, mass and volume of a body are, see, mass is given like 4.237 gram and volume is 2.5 centimeter cube. density of the material of the body for the correct significant figure. So we know it as rho equals m by v. So since it is division, we will be taking the least number of significant figures. So here number of significant figures are 4 and here the number of significant figures are 2. So when we are calculating this, we will be getting it as 1.6948 we will be getting. So here in the final answer, we should exist only 2 numbers. So 6 after 6, here it is greater than 5. So the final answer will be 1.7 gram per centimeter cube. Next question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular sheet are 16.2 centimeter and 10.1 centimeter respectively. Area of the sheet in appropriate significant figures and error is. So here it is, length is given like L equals 16.2 centimeter and breadth is 10.1 centimeter. Area we need to find out. Area, how can we find out? Length into breadth. So here also when you are calculating length into breadth, final answer you should maintain 3 significant figures. If it is like that, and one more thing, to appropriate error limits also it's given. So area we will be maintaining with the 3 significant figures. So in the final answer, when you are looking at the choices, 164 plus or minus 163.6 plus or minus 163 points. So here in choice, when I am looking at the choice, I am getting only one question, one answer in the 3 significant figures, that is 164 plus or minus 3. Okay, suppose more than one if it is coming, we should know how to find out the error. Error, how we can find out here? Here the error will be delta L by, since it is the multiplication, here we should consider the relative error. Delta A by A will be equal to delta L by L plus or minus delta B by B. Okay, we should add the relative errors. So here delta A will be equal to, what is delta L here? 0.2 divided by original length is 16.2 plus error is 0.1 divided by 10.1 into area. How much we are getting over here? That one you should multiply. Okay, so that area should be added over here. Clear? This is how we will be finding out the error in these kind of questions. So next one. Which of the measurement is most precise? The value is 5.00 millimeter, 5.00, this is in all zeros, okay, 0 centimeter, 5.00 meter, 5.00 kilometer. So which is the more precise value, which is coming with the least value of this unit, that is 5.00 millimeter will be the this most precise value. Then next is the mean length of an object is 5 centimeter. Which of the following measurement is most accurate? Accuracy will be depending on the number of digits which we are considering, number of significant figures. So here the number of significant figures are 4.9, 4.805, 5.25 centimeter, 5.4 centimeter. Here, how we will be finding out the accuracy? Accuracy can be determined as the original mean value is given. So you can subtract the each digit, each number with the true value or the mean value. Then which is getting the less number of less value will be the most accurate value. So for that 5 centimeter is given, 4.9 as the first value. So 5 minus 4.9 you can take. The next one is 5 minus 4.805 you can take. Next is 5.25 minus 5 you can take. So like that all the measurements you can take, difference and which is getting the least value will be the correct answer. So here answer will be going for 4.9 centimeter since the difference is only 0.1 centimeter. Clear? So this is how we will be finding out the value of errors. Okay, so these are some of the questions I want to discuss with you, and some more questions actually I need to, because it will be every day we can't go along with the measurement and errors only. So all the concept I discussed over here, Children, please go through those concepts and all, and the next class we will be coming with the motion in one dimension. Okay, that portion we will start discussing from the next class onwards. And this video is useful for you, I guess, and if you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.